Hey everybody, Jim Perry from Reach Stortfield here. Over the last several weeks, we've been talking about ways to take care of not only our physical but our mental well-being and to keep ourselves occupied. One way to do that is to pick up a new language. Aside from being fun and a great way to connect with others, picking up a new language not only boosts brain power, but it also improves memory, enhances the ability to multitask, sharpens our minds, keeps the mind sharper for longer, enhances our decision making. Our first language itself would be improved, and it improves performance in other academic areas at school. One way that I have done that is I have used Duolingo. I took German in high school with Mr. Diffley and have not studied it for years and found this program online. It is totally free. You can download the app on your phone or go online using your laptop to access it as well. Once you get an account and get signed up, this would be what your screen would look like. I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning to show you kind of how to go through this. You start out with the very basics, and this is extremely easy. It's not anything that is very, very difficult. It starts out at your level. You can either do time practice or practice without a timer. So, ich bin. So if you didn't hear the whole thing, ein Junge, and that means I am a boy. Go ahead and check and continue. Sie ist eine Frau und er ist ein Mann. I am a boy. So some of these are typing what you hear. Some of them are taking the German and writing them in English. She is a girl. Oh, I had a typo. It allowed it. It was fine. If it was completely wrong, it would have taken me back to it later on in this lesson. Sometimes you're just typing what you hear or selecting what you hear. Ich bin ein Mann. I know this ein instead of eine. Du bist eine Frau. Ich bin eine Frau. Er ist ein Mann. It does allow for small grammatical errors or small typo errors. Er. Du bist ein Kind. You're a child. David, du bist ein Mann. So the point is going through these lessons one at a time. It actually starts out extremely easy, starts at your level, and then works up through. So I have taken some time away from this myself, so I'm quite a bit behind in having to redo. There are many, many, many levels from this. Again, you move on as you get better and are more proficient at each level. So my challenge for you today is to pick up a new language. Again, Duolingo, Duolingo.com is one great, totally free resource for you to do this. You can use it on both your phone and on your laptop. Great way to keep your mind occupied and to be moving forward and to keep yourself busy and learn something new while you're doing it. I wish you well. Talk to you soon.